Today I'm showing you a fun and easy no prep game called The Wind is Blowing. Hi, my name is Gemma Perry and welcome to Mooncake ESL Teaching Made Easy. If you're new here, then you should know that I make weekly ESL teaching tip videos to help you improve your English teaching. So if you are teaching English abroad, make sure you subscribe below and hit that notification bell for weekly ESL teaching tips. Also, real quick, if you are new here, say hi in the comments below and let me know where in the world you're teaching. If you're looking for a quick and easy ESL game for your class, then look no further. Today I'm giving you a game that doesn't require any preparation or materials and that can be used on those days where you might not be as prepared as you would like. This game is perfect for reviewing clothing, colours or any kind of descriptive words. So let's get straight into it with today's game, The Wind is Blowing. Now for this game you're not going to need any materials, and I'll be using clothing and colours as an example of how to play. Start by positioning the class in a semicircle with you, the teacher, in the middle. Next, have one student come to the middle and take away their chair. That student's going to start the game by saying, "The wind is blowing." The whole class as a group then needs to ask that student, "What is it blowing?" That student then chooses a colour or an item of clothing and replies by saying, "The wind is blowing all the t-shirts." All the students wearing a t-shirt then need to stand up and switch seats as quickly as possible. That student in the middle needs to try and sit in one of those empty seats before another student. Whoever's left in the middle then says, "The wind is blowing," and we go again. Now you can adjust this game by combining clothing and colours together. So students might say, "Everyone wearing a red t-shirt." Or you can use other descriptive terms such as long and short hair or different coloured eyes. So there you have it, a quick and easy no prep game that you can try in your class tomorrow. If you like this game, let me know by commenting the word helpful and by sharing with your fellow teachers. If you're looking for more fun ESL games, then make sure you check out some of my other games right here. That's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, or if you're interested in a Mooncake sweatshirt or mug, you can find them linked below. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell for more weekly ESL teaching tips from Mooncake. Whoa.